Hi guys,
Guys,
good morning.
good morning.
This is Rosebelle.
Yes, yeah, right down.
Yeah.
It's me, I'm Rosebelle. And who are you?
Who am I?
Who are you?
Who am I?
Yeah, who are you?
You introduced me lah. I just
He
introduced
is
you.
my uncle, Rosebelle. I mean,
I'm
Dottie.
not Rosebelle. What are we doing today,
We're
Rosebelle?
gonna open this LED light.
So you've been looking forward to have this since yesterday.
Yeah, it's super viral on TikTok.
So cool, yeah.
So trending everywhere.
Okay.
Like everywhere. Like
Tell me then, what's the brand? What's the brand name?
the brand name? BARDI.
BARDI.
BARDI
Right.
dot. What is it?
Yeah. So you wanna open it?
Yeah, sure. Let's open it.
Okay. You can have this one. I'll have this one. It's the same, I think.
Yeah, I think. Oh my god, it's really hard.
It's hard.
Can you open? So the LED is like this.
Yeah. Show it to the camera. How does it look like?
It looked like a snack.
Snack.
It
does
looks like,
though.
and we have these things. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, it's the screw, the accessories, the double tape, the connectors
Okay,
and
let's
stuff.
open it.
We go open the snack.
Okay. Well, it's not a snack.
I got the snack. It's the
Oh my
same
God.
here.
So I open it. It smells so bad when you open it. Trust me.
I didn't smell anything.
Smell.
Anyway. Okay. So this is what it looks like.
See?
It's the same, right?
BARDI,
It's
BARDI.
BARDI. It's the same, right? First of all.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
oh my God, it's broken.
Yeah, it's okay. It's just the holders. So it says in the box,
Yeah.
it's like 2 meters.
2 meters.
Yeah. You wanna like grab it and.
Here, sure. We have to like chop like.
2 meters.
Oh my God.
Okay.
We're almost done.
Almost
You
done.
have to take off the whole thing.
Yeah, I have to take off the whole thing.
It's like a CD holder.
I know. Oh, they
Tape it.
tape it in here. Oh, it's okay.
Yeah,
we'll
this
take it
is-
off later. See in here.
Yeah.
Tell me, where's the lights?
Right.
Yeah.
I think. I don't know. Maybe here.
I think this is where the lights is, you know, these small things.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, show it to the camera. Yeah, this.
So you can see it,
Yeah.
right?
And they have this double tape to stick it
Oh, yeah, the
on
double
the
tape.
whichever you wanna stick it. You know.
Yeah, like maybe the wall.
Maybe the wall. And later perhaps I'm gonna put it like behind the TV.
Yeah, we don't want to put like on the wall and everything.
Maybe later, but
Yeah,
I
maybe
just,
next time.
maybe next time we'll put the link over here.
Yeah,
But for
or-
now,
yeah.
probably we're gonna put it in the. Our plan is to put it behind the TV. Yeah.
Yeah. Or maybe like we should put it behind the TV or the bed maybe.
Yeah. Okay. So this is, you know, this is there's this thing possible.
Yeah.
So you can cut it. So if you don't want like this long, like the whole 2 minutes long, you can just
Cut a
it
little
in
bit.
here a little bit, and then yeah, and then use it as you need to use it.
Yeah.
So okay, and maybe okay, I forgot to tell you one thing. So we have 2 sets, right? These 2 sets, it has to be controlled by this,
Yeah, by that.
by this thing. You wanna open it?
Yeah, sure. I should open it. Got it.
Yeah, just yank it. It's called the adapter here.
So we have the instructions and everything here.
Yeah, you have the instruction. You have the double tape here as well.
And we have like the instruction.
Alright. So what does it say? So you can actually
Like
use
pick a
it,
color.
connect it with your mobile phone,
Yeah, we didn't
Yeah.
buy the remote. We buy with the
the one that you use
connect to
the.
your phone.
What we need to be doing is perhaps connect this to the thingy here.
And then it will light on.
Yeah, but we
Yeah.
need to make sure
It connects to the phone, right?
we have to make sure that there's an arrow in this, right?
Yeah, there's like an arrow, a tiny
Yeah,
arrow.
the tiny arrow here
We
must
can see
connect. Let me check here. Oh, it didn't say it, but we have to connect it correctly, otherwise it will burn.
Burn?
No, it's just not burn, but probably it's gonna ruin your. Oh, here.
Oh, you can see it from.
See, there's an arrow here. I don't know. I'm not sure you guys can see it, but actually there's an arrow here, and also there's an arrow here. So we have to match the
And there's
arrow,
an arrow.
properly.
There's
Yeah.
an arrow in each side.
Yes. Okay, maybe we need to find a
We need
way.
to connect that here.
Yeah. Let's open this.
It's hard, right?
No, it's easy. Maybe Rosebelle can help to untangle this.
Yeah, I don't really know how to untangle stuff, but this one looks easy though.
That's easy.
Yeah,
It's easy. Well, I'm
but
thinking.
some of them
well,
are stuck.
Yeah, got to do it like really careful so it won't ruin the cable.
Okay,
Okay, you almost got it. You almost got it. Cool.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, we
So,
got it.
why don't you? Sorry. Can you try to plug this into that wall there?
Yeah, far enough.
You can try.
Okay, it's already.
Oh! So there you go.
So yeah,
It's on.
it's like a Christmas light.
I know. Now it's
So
only
the
the light is only white now.
and we're gonna change it with the mobile.
Let's try how to actually.
Okay, we already have the app before we start the video.
Yeah. You already have the app. So the way
But this is so cool.
we should be doing this, we should add device manually, it says. So okay, we already download, we already register, so we need to add the device, right? Add device, add manually, and we choose LED stripe, I guess. Yeah. And then we join this.
Password fill.
Okay. Hang on. Password need to
Can
fill. Next. Okay, already. Oh, and then you need to press this.
do this one?
Yeah. For 5 seconds.
5 seconds?
Press and hold 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. Okay, confirm. It's
Next.
blinking. Next.
It's blinking.
So now it's adding the device. Hopefully it will work.
Yeah, hopefully. This
Maybe.
color is like really pretty, but
I
it
know,
just
right? Now it's only plain white.
yeah, but it's just
After
so
it's
pretty.
get connected, you can choose whatever color.
Even purple, pink.
Yeah, anything you want. So hang on, okay.
It's connected.
It's connected. Let's put a name here. But what do you want it called?
Maybe LED rose.
LED rose. Sounds like a pretty name there. Then
Yeah,
you should
because-
try a rose color name after a rose color lights after this.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
It's yellow right now.
Okay, let's put it like closer to the camera so that
Yeah, it's a
everyone
little
can
bit
see.
Yellow.
Now it's yellow. Okay, you play around with it. I'll hold on to
How
it.
do we put like another color, not yellow?
See, this is only white.
Oh,
Whoa.
I like the pink one. It looks
Right,
the
so
purple
cool.
one. That like how do people make it like blinking and change color?
This
Oh, see.
you have actually few options you have seen.
I'm gonna try.
Try to put anything. So it's called soft. This is working.
Night.
Night. And what about
Gorgeous.
gorgeous? Oh, cool.
Oh, this is really cool.
Let's try music. I don't know how it works though, but
I don't know.
okay. Test. Oh,
It blinks.
it blinks. So if you play music close to your mobile phone, it will pick up your voice or any voice through the microphone, and it will change color.
So like.
Why don't you try singing something?
Okay, la 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 la.
Change color. So that's how you choose the color. Oh, this is manual, yeah. This is manual. Okay, what do you want to try again?
Try a pink color. Yeah, I like that.
Yeah, and you can actually shift it around as well, make it like less bright.
I want to make it like light pink.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, this pink is good. I like it.
Cool, huh?
It's like a little bit white, a little bit pink.
I know, right?
Okay, let's try blue now.
Alright.
Wow, that looks so amazing. Now, where are we gonna like put this LED light?
Good question, Rosebelle. We're gonna put the video link down here, right?
Yeah, down there.
Down here, down there. So click subscribe to that videos and see where we're gonna put that. Alright.
Goodbye.
Thank you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.